This segment is sponsored by Martin's Supermarkets.
Football season is here, and that can mean only one thing.
Only one?
Tailgating!
That one's a good one.
That's a good one. But you can't just go to a tailgating party empty-handed.
No, you cannot. So I spent some time with Chef Britt in the Martin's Test Kitchen cooking up some recipes that will be sure to wow your guests. Wow. Take a look. Well, tailgating season is here, and we are with Executive Chef Brittany in the Martin School of Cooking right here in our Martin Supermarket Heritage Square location. And the smells, Brittany.
All the smells.
Tailgating season is here, but that means entertaining and snacking.
Yes.
Some dips.
So, can you have a party without dips? Like, I'm a appetizer dip
You probably
girl.
can,
like,
but should you is the better question.
No.
Okay,
so
what
the
are we
first
starting
one
with, Brittany?
is a stuffed pepper dip. So, like this, growing up, my mom made the best stuffed green peppers in the world, and so I kind of just based this dip of all the ingredients she put in her stuffed peppers. So I just took like ground beef, green peppers, red peppers, a little bit of onion, and so I put that like in a casserole dish.
Any extra seasoning to just this base?
So I like to put a little bit of salt and pepper, garlic.
Okay.
And then all I did then is put some cheese in there.
Let's do some cheese right on top.
Yeah. And we'll just mix that in then.
Oh, mix it in. Okay. Can I use this?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
And then fire roasted tomatoes. My mom always used a fire roasted.
Yum. Okay, we're mixing that all in.
A little bit of chili powder.
I love how easy this is. You guys always make this so easy for when we're entertaining. And then we're gonna
So then when it comes out of the oven like this, then I just top it with a little bit of parsley just to kind of, you know, because we're fancy.
And you did just take this out of the oven.
I did.
I mean, it smells
It's gonna
so
be hot.
good. It's gonna be hot. So we're gonna take a little bit and blow.
But then it's just like you're eating a stuffed pepper. So it's comfort food and just all in a dip form.
Moving to this one, another one that you baked.
Oh my goodness, this is one of my absolute favorites.
Okay.
So it's super easy. All you do is take your baking dish, put your marinara sauce down, use whatever marinara you like, totally fine. So then it's a 3-cheese blend. So you have your boursin, your goat cheese, and your cream cheese. Mix those together, make your cheese ball.
In a separate bowl, so kind of mix these three.
Yep.
Put it in the center.
Set it right in the center, and then top it with just a little bit of red chili flakes, just a
little bit of heat.
Let it cook in the oven at like 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes just to get everything hot and that cheese melted. It's pretty quick.
It's a quick bake.
And then I like to top it with some of the Rana pesto just on top.
Ooh, yum. I love a little bit of pesto right across.
And how pretty is that?
And of course you then did a little
baguette and toast it. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
so good.
Look at this bite. I mean, that's incredible. And it's hot. You can see the steam. I caught it.
So good.
Oh my goodness.
That's one of my favorite go-tos.
That's
and again,
amazing. I am eating it directly off my hand. That is how good this dip is. Okay, we've got another one, Brittany.
So this one is a little play on like an Asian dip. So the base is just the Philadelphia cream cheese again.
Okay.
2 bricks and then a half a cup of mayo and a little bit of ginger. You could use fresh if you wanted. I like to just get this one from produce. It makes it a little bit easier.
That is easier. So just 3 ingredients once again for the base.
Yep. And then you top it with the sweet and sour.
Kind of do a drizzle.
Yeah. However, yep. Just cover that.
Ooh. Okay. Yum yum yum.
And then I took some of the rotisserie chicken from the deli and then mixed it with a little bit of soy sauce and hoisin. So then you'll top that with your chicken.
Oh, it smells so good. I love this.
And this is nice because it's a cold dip, so it's easy to travel with if you're going to a party. You don't have to worry about keeping it hot.
Perfect. So you don't want to show up empty-handed.
No.
You need to bring something. And this, I bet nobody else is going to think of this until you watch what's happening right now. Then
so everybody's going to have Asian dip at the
Everybody's going to have it, and they should.
So then any of your fun toppings. So I just did some water chestnuts, some green onion, carrots, and then I actually took some ramen noodles and like toasted them a little bit for that crunch. So then just to dress it up.
These are not your average ramen noodles that you are just warming up. I mean, look at that.
So super easy, right?
I mean, fantastic. Are we? What would you recommend dipping?
So like a non-dipper.
Like a pita.
Yeah, something like that would be
I'm still trying. I love, you know, a cold dip is a little bit different. I love that.
And honestly, I mean, this you could heat up if you wanted it warm too. You can do it either way.
So good. Okay, this last one over here.
Okay, so this one I'm sure there's a viral trend of the queso in the foil container. You can put it right on the grill or you can put it in the smoker, whatever you want. So all you do is Velveeta, So this one I call like triple B dip. So it has beer, brisket, and bacon.
Beer, brisket, and bacon.
So the brisket you can get, again, right from Martin's, already smoked cold, so you don't have to worry about doing a whole brisket.
Okay.
Use your favorite beer, 2 cans of Rotel, and then I just put this in the oven.
So you just kind of dumped this before you put it in the oven. You did not pre-mix it. We're mixing it now. Look at that steam. Oh.
So all of that just kind of melts together. So again, you can do this on your grill, you can do it in the oven, you can do it in a smoker. So then I like to top mine with a little bit of pico and then of course the crispy bacon.
Because you got to have the triple B bacon. So we're going to do some pico right on top. I mean, I love how pretty this looks.
And it's, it gives
and
you that
can
little bit
get
of
this
freshness.
in the deli too.
You can.
You can just get it all done for you. We're topping it with some bacon. Oh, I need to get a little bit of that bacon in my bite. But of course, we've got tortilla chips.
Of course.
I would agree that that's a good one. Ooh, this is going to be another hot one. Ready?
So good, right? So all of these again are like 10 ingredients or less, super easy to take to a tailgate, just have a home party, anything like that.
Just have a home party. And of course you have other items that are perfect for a tailgate party, whether it's beverages, snacks, some frozen pizzas, home run pizzas that you can just pop in the oven and make it easy for you.
I mean, how good would it be just to dip a home run pizza slice right into this?
Now you're giving us a lot of ideas, giving us so many ideas. Of course, check out your local Martin supermarkets for all of the ingredients for your next tailgate party.
Looked so yummy. Good job, Jackie.
So good.
A store for everyone, martinsupermarkets.com. They're also on Facebook and Twitter. Check it out. Make me some dip.
I'll make you some.